The GT 4-door for me is ideal car. And that's because R8 RSQ8, wow, not because like I'm in shock, but this is new car, so I didn't expect this to see it on the road. So yeah, this is most versatile car to me, and that's simply because you can do just about anything with this car. It always delivers because you have the performance, especially in the 63S version. You have performance, you have practicality, you have like everything what you need is here. And you can say that also about, for example, GLC. That's also versatile, but it's like SUV, so it's versatile SUV. But overall, for me, it's appealing to sit lower. So that's why I think, for me, this is the most versatile car. Because, yeah, I really like when the car is low to the ground. That's my favorite because it's more like a racing. Alright guys, so let's test here the Distronic Plus. So I set the Distronic to 120 kilometers per hour, which is like 70 something miles per hour, and it also steers automatically, and it says I should keep the hands on the steering wheel. So it means that the car knows that I'm not sleeping, basically. And really, this is an amazing system. So it's driving for you, and you can be relaxed in the vehicle, and it's just a great system. Distronic without the Plus is adaptive cruise control. So you can set here on the steering wheel how far away from the vehicle you want to be, and I can set it now to the minimum distance. So it should track the car in front of me, or it's too far away. So if I catch a car, then it will keep the distance. Beautiful ambient lighting here, and here as you can see we have beige interior, and this is like a brown wood decor. And this, I think this is magma gray. This on the dashboard, ambient lighting, I set it on purple, and yeah, really beautiful. So maybe you are wondering why it's you can hear like a noise, and that's because this asphalt here is the oldest asphalt in the Slovakia on the highway, so it's quite rough. So that's the reason for that. Other than that, this car is really great at high speeds. We have a frameless doors, so you can hear a little bit like the wind noise, but it's very nicely insulated, especially for the coupe, because always always, if you have a frameless doors, doesn't matter which brand, always you hear like a little bit more sound than if you have normal doors and they shut, there is like a double rubber, then it seals like more, so that's understandable. But yeah, really this is a really nice level. This car should also be change lanes. Maybe it can change lane only here, not sure if it overtakes someone. So I will try it now. The car should change lane. Okay, like this, so you need to put it. Wow. This sound is really addictive. So yeah, I'm off the highway. Let's put it in the Sport Plus. Okay. Wow. This sounds absolutely incredible. So really, I'm such a big fan of this GT 4-door. It's so nice, this car. Oh, the fire from the exhaust. So nice in Sport Plus. So here I want to show the dynamic data. So right now everything I have on the Sport Plus and the most sporty level, but yeah. So now everything is in Sport Plus mode. Also the suspension. So if you put suspension on the comfort, it will go into the like a 0 position. Now you can see it here. It goes. It will go down to -1, so the car sits lower to the ground, and yeah, it's overall it's just better. So this has inline 6-cylinder engine, which we can also find in the 53 version. So this is like a detuned 367 horsepower, and the 53 has 435, and it's not like I wouldn't say it's like a huge difference. The 53 I drove the CLS and E-Class, E-Coupe 53, and this is more or less same power plant, but I think it's more aggressive in the GT 4-door. So really this is an amazing experience, a really beautiful car. So this car is really fast car and sounds amazing. 6-cylinder engine, like sound of this car is so good. fires from exhaust. Exhaust, it fires. Wow. So this is also a lot. So the 43 is also a lot less expensive than the 63 or 63S in that matter, and it has somewhat of similar price. The distance between the price is not so huge, 43 and 53, but there is a difference. And in the Germany you can get this as a rear-wheel drive, here only as a 4MATIC Plus. So I want to actually show you here the dynamic data. So when I talk about the dynamic data here in the full reviews, in the stationary videos, here you can see, I will zoom from the camera, you can see how much each wheel is using the power. So right now only the rear-wheel drive is using the most power, and the right wheel, because I'm turning here, so the right wheel in the rear is the most useful wheel basically. So you can see here the boost of the turbos and how much Newton meters and kilowatts the car is using at the moment, and you have a G-force here. So watch this, I will edit it when I will edit the video, so you can see zoomed in better. What?